Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SugarCRM for account hierarchy and territories, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SugarCRM instance using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the admin panel located in the top right corner of the screen. In the admin panel, locate and click on the account hierarchy option. Review the current hierarchy settings to understand the existing structure. If necessary, click on Edit to modify the existing hierarchy. For new account setups, select Add Account to create a new entry. Input the parent account information to establish the hierarchical relationship. Ensure you save the changes once the new account is created. Next, proceed to the Territory Management section from the Admin panel. In this section, you will see a list of existing territories. Click on Create Territory to add a new territory as per your organizational needs. Fill in the relevant details, such as the territory name and description. Assign the appropriate accounts to the newly created territory. Utilize the filters to refine the accounts that will fall under the new territory. Save the territory settings upon completion. To assign users to territories, navigate to the User Management section. Select the relevant user you want to assign to a territory. Under the territory settings, choose the appropriate territory for that user. Save your changes to solidify the assignment. Review the territories and account hierarchy by navigating back to the respective sections. Confirm that the hierarchy and territory assignments reflect the desired structure. Run tests to ensure users can access and manage their assigned accounts and territories. Make any necessary adjustments based on your organizational feedback. Ensure you document all changes made for future reference. This completes the setup for account hierarchy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.